Are you a kind of person who really feels sleepy post lunch? बहुत नींद आती है रोज़ दोपहर को खाना के बाद, and you really want to overcome this problem because it's becoming really troublesome for you to concentrate on work, because अगर नींद आएगी तो काम पे ठीक से मन नहीं लगेगा, ठीक से ध्यान नहीं लगेगा, and you really want to solve this problem of yours, then this video is exactly for you, because I am going to talk about 3 things in this video. Number 1, the reasons why you are feeling sleepy post lunch, which we also call it as an afternoon slump. Number 2 is like what you can do to really overcome or solve these problems or these reasons why you're feeling sleepy. And number 3, what additional preventive measures you can take to prevent sleepiness post lunch. So let's begin. Hi, this is Prem Gupta and welcome to my channel. Starting from the number 1 reason, which is overeating. So if you're a kind of a person who usually overeats, यानी कि पेट तो भर गया लेकिन मन नहीं भरा, एंड यू आर स्टिल वांटिंग दैट वन लास्ट पूरी, सम मोर लिटिल राइस, वन मोर रोटी or things like that, then definitely you are overeating. And how to know that you are overeating? Basically simple, just ask yourself, do you say after having your lunch that आज तो पेट बहुत भर गया और नहीं खाया जा सकता, or do you feel really heavy on your stomach after eating? Then definitely you have overeaten your meal. So you need to cut down on that, as that is one of the big reasons or the major reasons why you might be feeling sleepy after lunch. Okay, so and the best way or the solution to this problem of overeating is simple. Just eat slowly and chew thoroughly, and basically खाना बैठ के खाइए, धीरे खाइए, चबा चबा के खाइए, because in that case, in that way, you are going to ensure that you are not overeating your meal, as you will know or realize that when exactly your stomach is full, to give a full stop to your eating. Okay, so that is number 1. Moving on to number 2, if you are having too much of carbs, and that can be one of the reasons for your sleepiness, especially your simple carbs. So if you are having a lot of simple carbs in your meal, even like junk food, processed foods, packaged foods, refined sugar, refined flour, that is a maida, then definitely there are chances of you to again feel sleepy, as these are going to really spike up your blood sugar level, and then again will be an energy or sugar crash in your body, leading to that again sluggishness, drowsiness, and low energy, sleepiness and stuff like that. So you need to cut down on your too much of carbs. Okay, I'm not against carbs, I'm for carbs. Carbs are really essential for our body, but it's also important that we also have it in a balanced proportion, along with the proteins, healthy fats, and mostly have in the form of complex carbs and not simple carbs too much. Okay, so have more of complex carbs. And there is one more reason why carbs, too much of carbs, can make you feel sleepy. The reason is that carbs can actually help in the conversion of tryptophan into serotonin, and which is further converted to melatonin, which is responsible for our sleep. Well, if that is the case, then definitely you should have a more balanced lunch. So don't have simple carbs, have complex carbs, and along with the carbs also include good amount of quality proteins and healthy fats in your meal. Number 3, poor sleeping habits. Obviously, if you're not sleeping well at night or not having good amount of quality sleep at night, then definitely you are going to feel sleepy post your lunch. So if you really want to prevent this, you should actually maintain a good sleep hygiene, a good scheduled sleep cycle according to the body's circadian rhythm, which is the natural 24-hour wake and sleep cycle. Okay, and if you are someone who really have trouble sleeping at night, then you can let me know in the comment section below if you really want me to make a separate video on how to have a good quality sleep or steps that you can take to really sleep better. Number 4 reason, lack of physical activity. Physical activity actually helps you to increase your alertness during the day, and not only that, actually also helps to get you good sleep at night as well. So naturally, if you are someone who is very sedentary, who lacks physical activity in the day, then it is natural for you to feel the afternoon slump. And simple solution is that get some regular physical activity in your daily routine. It can be of 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but definitely get some physical activity in your routine. Number 5, last but not the least, if you're having certain health conditions like diabetes, hypothyroidism, sleep apnea, insomnia, food allergies or intolerance, yes, that can also create sleepiness post lunch. So if you're having any of these conditions, I would really advise you to consult your doctor or any health professional who can really diagnose and treat the underlying condition which can be responsible for your afternoon slump. If you really feel very low in energy, really feel sleepy, really lethargic and fatigued during the day, then you should once get yourself checked by the health professional. Let's just quickly go through the 5 preventive measures that you can take to really beat that sleepiness post your lunch. Number 1, take healthy mid-morning snacks like your banana, coconut water, handful of nuts and seeds, freshly squeezed sugar cane or sattu water, things like that can actually keep you energized throughout the day. Number 2 is to take a short nap post your lunch. If you're feeling sleepy, for about 20 to 30 minutes will be good enough, and better sleep on your left side to promote digestion. Number 3, to take a light walk post your lunch for around 10 to 15 minutes. That can also help you to beat your sleepiness. Number 4 is to really avoid processed foods, junk food, refined carbs, refined sugar and all. Number 5 is to avoid too much of caffeine, because अगर दिमाग में बहुत जन की ये कॉन्सेप्ट रहता है कि caffeine लेंगे तो energy boost होगा, नींद नहीं आएगी. Okay, caffeine can boost your energy levels, but don't forget it is followed by an energy crash which can lead to sleepiness or an afternoon slump. So these are the additional 5 things that you can follow to beat your sleepiness post your lunch. That's all from my side. I hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then please show me a thumbs up, drop in the comments below to let me know the same. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit that bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my update. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished, and always keep it simple, smart and effective.